Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel, Nat Behind the Camera. I hope you're all doing well. Right, today we're getting all Christmassy. We're going to be making a Christmas wreath. I brought a wreath, it's about 30 centimetres. I've got some poinsettias, some berries, some holly, some pine cones and some festive greeneries. I've never made one of these before, I'm totally new to it. So I hope it works out, fingers crossed. Get yourself comfy and we'll get started. Been working on my Christmas wreath a bit each day. I had to tie it down with zip ties onto my easel to make it more stable because it just kept moving everywhere. I'm going to add a few more berries, maybe some holly and some pine cones and a bit of fake Christmas snow to make it look a bit more Christmassy. So far, all I found difficult was getting the berries to stick on. It's been really fiddly, they kept falling off. So I've had a few problems with them. But other than that, I've really enjoyed making it. It's the first one I've ever made as well. So yeah, I'm going to carry on today. So come and have a watch what we're doing. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. But before we hang it on the door, I just want to say you can customise yours to whatever you like. You could put lights on, you could put ribbons on, bells on, whatever you wanted to do, just make it your own. I brought one of these from B&M for £2, an over-door Christmas wreath holder. So we're going to go and put this on the door. Right, this year I'm going to have my Christmas wreath on my lounge door. You can hang yours wherever you like, but I'm going to hang mine right on this Christmas wreath hanger here on my lounge door. It's a bit heavy, so I'm just going to try and straighten it up a bit. And there we go. Or, do you know what? You just don't have to have it that way. You could have it that way. Or you could have the flower at the top, like that. But I'm going to hang mine this way. So, there we go. One finished Christmas wreath. It's the first time I've ever made one, so I probably have made mistakes as I've done it, but I'm really pleased with how it turns out. So thank you for watching Behind the Camera with Nat. Please give the video a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye and Merry Christmas.